your weekly rate update. Let's talk about the reports from last week and what's coming out this week. So last week, the PCE was released, the Fed's favorite measure of inflation. It was released for December, and it was hotter than market estimates. The headline and core readings both rose 0.4%, 1/10 hotter than estimates, but year over year headline rose from 2.8 to 2.9. Core rose from 2.8 to 3%. Now looking forward, the January and February replacements from 2025 are 0.31 and 0.45%, which will make it easier to make some progress on inflation. We could see core inflation come down to 2.6% year over year, and the market really looked past this report, likely because it's old data from December, and the January CPI was much better at 2.5% on the core reading. The weaker GDP report that came out also helped mortgage bonds, so that is why we've seen rates improve a little bit. New home sales, the data was originally delayed due to the shutdown, but it has since come out for November and December. And it was a very strong report. Shows in November rose 15%, in December fell 1.7%. But the pace of November and December was the best level of sales in almost 4 years. The median home price in December was reported at $414,400, which is up 4.2% from November and down 2% year over year. New home supply is also pretty tight at about 2 months. Reports coming out this week, or news this week. Tuesday, we have the ADP weekly employment data, the Case-Shiller and FHFA home price appreciation reports. Then on Wednesday, we have mortgage applications. Thursday, jobless claims, and Friday, the PPI inflation report. I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one.